2024, fireworks legend Cai Guoqiang returned to his hometown of Quanzhou for a special show. But what was meant to be a triumphant homecoming turned into an unexpected accident. Cai Guoqiang is globally recognized as China's fireworks visionary. His works have amazed audiences worldwide. In 2009, his daytime fireworks in Philadelphia, with flowers blooming and fading in the sky, became iconic. In 2011, he created a black rainbow over the Qatar desert, its smoke like a Chinese ink painting. In 2018, he illuminated Florence sky with a grand display for the David statue. But it was in 2023 that he stunned Japan with fireworks of life, 40,000 shells over the ocean, creating a breathtaking scene of cherry blossoms. Some call his fireworks love letters to the universe, but to him, they are a letter from a traveler to his motherland. His 2008 Beijing Olympics footprints made a powerful statement about Chinese artistry, leaving a lasting mark on the world. Cai Guoqiang's work is always personal, a reflection of his unique vision. Cai Guoqiang's journey wasn't easy. Coming from a small fishing village, his rise to the fame was filled with struggles. His grandmother, who sold seafood to support his dreams, was the biggest believer. She always said he could be a great artist. Inspired by her, Cai Guoqiang created Letter to the Sky in her honor for her 100th birthday. Though he first attempted the project in 1990, safety concerns delayed it for years. It wasn't until 21 years later in Quanzhou that he finally succeeded. Cai Guoqiang once said, "I've made fireworks around the world, but my grandmother never sold them. This is for her."
4, 3, 2, 1. Now, fire!
Recently, in December 8, 2024, back in his hometown Quanzhou, Cai Guoqiang debuted Red Sail, a fireworks piece focused on women. Thousands gathered, even climbing rooftops for a view. But the weather was harsh. Strong winds disrupted one of the key acts, Hairpin Flower, a tribute to Quanzhou's cultural heritage. The fireworks failed to bloom as planned, and the drones malfunctioned, crashing into the sea. Cai Guoqiang asked the crowd, "Please turn off the interference." Despite this, the rest of the show went on and dazzled the audience.
Carry my love home safely to me. We marry tomorrow, and she goes sailing no more. Red sails in the sunset.
Afterward, Cai Guoqiang expressed regret for the missed moment, but promised to return next year to get it right. Despite his global fame, Cai Guoqiang remains deeply connected to Quanzhou, his hometown in China. His work may be celebrated worldwide, but for him, hometown is where it all began. With Red Soul, he aimed to share the beauty of Quanzhou's culture and world, a tribute to his heritage and the place that shaped him as an artist. In the next episode, we'll share more in depth about this cultural heritage that derived from Quanzhou, Cai Guoqiang's hometown. Please stay tuned and subscribe us.